So you're looking for your perfect home in 2025. What are 3 things to look for to avoid buyer's remorse? Helping thousands of families find their dream homes, and once in a rare while, it's not their dream home and they have buyer's remorse. I tell you, it always comes back to 3 things that I see that homeowners, whether they're a family, they're buying by themselves, whatever the situation is for them, the 3 things that come back that always seem to create the most happiness are these 3. Number 1's location. When you love the location you're at, it almost doesn't matter anything else. When you come home every day, you pull in your driveway, you wake up in the morning and you're at your home and you look outside and you just love your location, that is probably one of the most prominent joys that someone can have, where you own your own home and you're in the exact location you want to be. So think about what that is to you, whether it's walkability, it's view orientation, it's a location that has larger yards. I mean, location can mean a lot of different things to a lot of different people, but I would say find out in your own mind and what's important to you about location. Number 2 is the usability of the home. The best way not to get buyer's remorse is being a home that you can stay at for a while, right? You're not unhappy 1 year from now. You're not unhappy 6 months from now. You're not unhappy 3 years from now. It has the usability you're looking for. So whether you're looking for growth to be able to expand if you're having a new child, or you're going to work from home and you have an office space, or you have a place to put your stuff. Think about the usability of the home, not only for now, but what would it look like in the future, 2 or 3 or 4 years from now? And will this home still accommodate the use that you need? And third is clearly financial. Is it financially comfortable for you? Meaning, all right, you had to get that house in the perfect location, the perfect usability, but the place was a disaster and it needed a lot of repairs. It needed a lot of upgrading. And you weren't in a position to financially do the things that would make you happy. That can create buyer's remorse if you're in a home that you really just can't stand and you can't afford to fix it up. I'll narrow it down back to the 3 again. It's location, usability, and future financial comfortability. If you're going to be comfortable there financially, great. If you can use the home exactly how you intended to use it both now and in the future, fantastic. And if it's in the location you want, you put the trifecta. Congratulations. That's what to look for in your next home.